Bye, thank you. Morning from Atlanta. It's my first time ever in this place. It's a really big airport. So my connecting flight to Boston is gonna be on another concourse where I have to take a train. We're in concourse A. That flight's in concourse B. But I still have 4 hours to spend. Everything is so close. There's a Shake Shack right in front of my arriving gate earlier. But I'm kind of full. I'm just gonna try to walk around the airport. Like I said, for the first hour, try to get 2 hours of sleep, grab breakfast, then go to my connecting flight. I'm really excited to explore this airport. I used to love to explore airports every time I enter. I would always circle around the entire terminal as a kid while my family's just like sitting and sleeping. Yo, so apparently they changed the gate for my connecting flight. It's now in Concourse A, gate A31, which is the same concourse where my plane from Santa Ana landed at. Thankfully, I woke up way earlier than I expected because my final grades came out. That really woke me up because I just got super duper curious. If it wasn't for that, I think I'll still be half asleep or maybe fall asleep. I'll be up by 7:15 a.m., which is the time I set for my alarm, and potentially miss my flight. It's crazy how they didn't announce it. Not a close call. So they downgraded the plane from the newer edition of the A321 to the classic edition. Unfortunate because I've been looking forward to fly on the A321neo. I've flown the classic plane 2 years ago on JetBlue from LA to New York. But yeah, I mean, it's my first time trying Delta's A321 still. But on the other hand, I'll have to try to find another flight where the scheduled aircraft will be the A321neo in the future. During boarding, I got a new received live boarding pass, and it indicated my seat got changed from 33F to 32E, meaning right now I'm on the middle seat. It was really disappointing since I reserved that specific window seat way before this flight, and I assumed that the seat change is because the aircraft changed, but the A321neo and the classic A321 is similar, so I don't get why they have to put me to a middle seat. They should have just put me to another window seat.